Next on this sales funnel is to focus on people who are already considering the solution you are offering. Here you might really refine your message, zeroing in on what exactly makes your product or service so great. Remember, you won't be targeting everyone with this message. These adverts will be limited to people who you know have been looking into you. The last step in the sales funnel is the purchase. If your ultimate goal is to get people to become paying customers, you need to focus on conversion. For example, you can use adverts with special offers or incentives targeted at people who you know have shown interest in your podcast but who haven't become subscribers. Retargeting is especially useful at this point in the funnel. It lets you show adverts to people after they visit your website or do specific things that indicate their interest. With retargeting campaigns, you can define these near misses as your target audience. Then you can show this very specific audience adverts to help entice them back to your site. Defining exactly what you want to get out of your display advertising will help you create campaigns that are focused on your different business goals. So whether you want more people to know about your business or you would like to turn more visitors into paying customers, display advertising can help. Thank you and stay tuned.